Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you'll be watching this vlog. So, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. It's the beginning of a new vlog. So it's Tuesday. I'm heading out. I'm already outside, as you can see, with all this makeup. I have lunch date with somebody. You'll get to meet them later. And also today is our street market day. Maybe I will just pass by, or I'll take my boy to just look around in the street market because they love all those things, kids. So I said, let me start this vlog here and take you guys through everything this week. Weekly vlog. Yes, that is what it's going to be. Okay.
Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. I'll never know how much it costs to see my seat upon the cross. I'll never know how much it costs to see my seat upon the cross. So here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. So here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, you're altogether worthy, you're altogether wonderful to me.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up.
So Natasha, what do you say you want to do with your hair?
I want to have longer hair.
Longer hair? So you will not be doing braids this holiday for how many months?
2.
For 2 months?
Yes.
And because you want to have, do you think it's because of the braids your hairs are breaking out?
Yes, because people say that if you want to have longer hair, you have to wash it more. Because every single time that when I braid my hair, after 2 months you see this thread stopping in your hair.
Yes.
And then when I comb it out, you lose more hair.
That's true, that is correct. You see that dirt that's stuck into your hair,
Yeah.
and the braid was down to your hair when you braid it. As time goes by, it will begin to go up. It's like your hair is going out. That's why the dirt will stop up that in that the edge of the attachment.
Yeah.
Then later it will pull out. Your hair really grows when you make more braids or more cornrows. Cornrows is good. Anyway, as you say, don't want to do your hair for 2 months. It's okay. It'll only cornrows, and you'll be eating more protein. But that means you'll be eating a lot of meat, chicken, turkey, even eggs. Wow, this thing. Hey guys, good morning. Natasha is here. She did not go to school. They are holidays. Yeah, the holiday starts last week. You guys start the holidays. Is it last week? On the 6th of this June. Today is 13. Thursday 13th, and they took holiday on the 6th of this month. Wow. And the younger ones, the cages, they are still going to school. Kindergarten, yeah. They are still going to school. They will finish by month ending. In this country, I wonder sometimes why the other ones have to be the ones to take the holiday first. Why not the younger ones? The teacher had to explain to me that it's because some moms are going to work, so they just want their kids to remain in school because of there are no chance. Or like, what after this month? Are they not going to look for someone to look after the kids for them? Yeah, it's just like that for them. Anyway, welcome back to this vlog, guys. I'm about to make breakfast for Natasha, myself, and Daddy. I don't think I'll be taking that breakfast because I'm a journey of losing weight. And if you are like me, you don't like fruits, you don't like veggies, welcome back to the group. This is the only thing that make me eat fruits and veggies. In here I blend strawberries and pear. We call it pear in English, in Italian, but it's actually pear. This is what makes me to eat fruits each day, because I'm not just that girl just sit down and take any fruit on the table and begin to eat. That is not me. It's very hard for me. Except the only fruit I fancy a lot is pineapple. I love pineapple. I don't think each time I go to the store, I always find a way to get pineapple for myself, because that is the only fruit I can eat with all pleasure. Anyway, guys, let me not rant a lot. Let's go and do this beautiful breakfast. Okay?
I'm no longer safe to feel. I am a child of God. From my mother's womb, you have chosen me. Thou hast called my name. I've been born again into a family. Your breath flows through my wings. I no longer